What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing off a few of the CAD models and assemblies I made over the past few years using SolidWorks. Let's jump right in. First off, we have a fire hydrant. Now I just need to find a fire made out of ones and zeros. Next, we have a frozen custard. Luckily, this one's never gonna melt. Here's my CNC Mill. Check out my other video if you want to see how I built it. You don't need an extended warranty on this Corvette Stingray. I designed it as a toy car. Here's the pullback mechanism. A lot of these features would be a little too small to manufacture at this scale, but I like all the details. Do you guys remember Lincoln logs? These were fun toys. Let's add a few more pieces, shall we? And this is where I'd put a sponsor. If I had one, Tulips. Although this solar distiller was a group project, I did all of the CAD for my team. You can't go wrong with the classic rubber duck. And a few chocolate bars and cookies you might recognize. Just try not to bite your screen. Now let's give a slow clap for the honorable mentions. Mount Rushmore. Honestly, I kinda just gave up on this one. Sub D really isn't my thing. And an end mill, which makes it a perfect time to end my video. See what I did there? Thanks for watching!